Imagine Earth billions of years ago, but instead of one blue planet, there are two. This is the intriguing idea behind the Theia hypothesis. Scientists believe that Earth once shared its orbit with a twin planet named Theia. This wasn't just a friendly neighbor passing by. Theia played a major role in making Earth the planet we know and love. The idea of Earth having a twin might sound like science fiction, but there's compelling evidence to support this theory. It helps explain some of the biggest mysteries about our planet, like the origin of our moon and the tilt of Earth's axis. Let's delve into the story of Theia and its fateful encounter with Earth. Theia, named after the Greek titan who gave birth to the moon goddess Selene, was no small celestial body. Scientists estimate it was roughly the size of Mars, making it comparable in size to Earth itself. This wasn't a case of a small asteroid bumping into a planet. This was a meeting of two planetary titans. Theia likely resided in a stable point within Earth's orbital path, known as a Lagrange point. This gravitational sweet spot allowed Theia to coexist with Earth for millions of years. However, this cosmic ballet couldn't last forever. Over time, gravitational interactions with other planets nudged Theia from its stable position, setting the stage for a monumental collision. The giant impact hypothesis proposes that Theia, knocked off its orbital stability, veered off course and collided with the young Earth. This wasn't a glancing blow, it was a head-on collision of unimaginable force. The energy released during this impact would have dwarfed anything humanity has ever witnessed. The impact vaporized a significant portion of both Earth and Theia, sending molten rock and debris hurtling into space. This debris, caught in Earth's gravitational pull, eventually coalesced over millions of years, forming the moon we see in the night sky. The giant impact hypothesis elegantly explains the moon's composition, which closely resembles Earth's mantle. Section 4. Theia's fate, assimilation and annihilation. What happened to Theia after the impact? The most widely accepted theory is that Theia didn't survive the encounter as a distinct celestial body. Instead, much of its mass was incorporated into the molten Earth, contributing to its overall size and composition. Remnants of Theia, along with ejected material from Earth, formed the moon. However, recent studies suggest that traces of Theia might still exist within Earth's mantle. These remnants, distinct in their isotopic composition, could offer further evidence of the giant impact and provide valuable insights into Theia's composition and formation. The search for these Theian fingerprints continues to be an active area of research. Section 5. The significance of Theia shaping our world. The Theia hypothesis isn't just a fascinating story of cosmic billiards, it has profound implications for our understanding of Earth and life itself. The impact that created the moon also had a significant impact on Earth's evolution. The impact is thought to have tilted Earth's axis, giving us our seasons. It also stabilized Earth's rotation, creating a more hospitable environment for life to evolve. Furthermore, the moon's gravitational influence creates tides, which played a crucial role in the development of early life. Without Theia's fateful collision, Earth might have been a drastically different planet, perhaps even devoid of life as we know it. The story of Theia is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our solar system and the profound influence seemingly distant celestial events can have on our planet. The Theia hypothesis, while still being refined and explored, stands as a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and our endless fascination with understanding our place in the cosmos. As we continue to explore the universe, we may uncover even more secrets about Earth's early history and the celestial events